Coming into a UIF program, I have one goal in mind, and that is using what I learned from UIF to tackle real-world problems. And so when my cohorts and I started, we actually inherited a student organization called Student Innovation Collective. And it was actually started by previous fellow, Vanessa Ganadian and Lorenzo Santos. They're also your current fab, so. We knew that we wanted to accomplish 3 things. 1, we wanted to bring students from different majors to collaborate on projects together. 2, we wanted to impact as many students as possible by teaching them the design thinking methodology. And 3, most importantly, we want to make it fun and interactive. And also, at the same time, we found out through talking with students, they actually wanted to work on something more meaningful to them, more purposeful, such as solving social issues that affect their local community. And in our case, it was homelessness. So we reached out to our network to connect with stakeholders, and we actually end up securing a grant that would support our group to solve the homelessness issue. With this grant, we could bring in a lot more students and ideas. In fact, we even turned it into a competition. We hosted weekly design thinking workshops to teach students how to harness it for homelessness. We even brought in someone who used to be homeless to come in to share their perspectives so that students can solve this problem in a more empathetic and user-centric way. During the time of the competition, we invited professionals from food banks, homeless shelters, architecture firms, and even government officials. And during the time of the competition, there were some really interesting ideas and prototypes. I remember there's one team came up with the idea of a portable mattress. Another team came up with a self-sustainable garden. And then another team came up with a job portal connecting employers to homeless people. So students would pitch their ideas to judges, and those ideas that got the highest ratings were rewarded with some of the grant money to pursue their ideas. And with our success, it brought a lot of attention to our project. In fact, we even made it to the headline of our local newspaper. And as a result of this project, we were able to bring students from different backgrounds who work on something that could leave a lifelong impact on others and the community. So, fellows, after the Silicon Valley Meetup, when you go back home, I want you to think about what you can do for your community. You know, and it doesn't even need to be something as big as ours. It can be just within your friend circle, your family, or even your online community. What change can you bring to your community by using design thinking? So, fellows, I'm going to leave you with this. How might we use design thinking to tackle real-world challenges? Thank you.